Then I followed up with the conditioner. Boom, cap on, maybe 3 minutes or so, rinsed it out, and my hair felt really good. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all the subbies, and I want to say what's up to all the newbies. That's everybody checking me out, perhaps for the first or second or third time. I really appreciate it. Get on in here. Come on in. We got a quickie today, okay? Just wanted to come in here really quickly. And, well, you know me, okay? So I'm going to set this up. Set the scene. A girl who is madly in love with Theorie products receives, unbeknownst to her, a little gift bag, a small gift, a little surprise package in the mail when she ordered and re-upped on some of her heat thermal spray. Okay. She was very excited, very interested in trying these things because it is from Theorie after all. So anyway, fast forward. Imagine her excitement when she finally tried these products out. So, you guys know me. You know that I love Theorie products, okay? I use the shampoos and conditioners and the yada, yada, yada. Okay, so anyway, those who were privy to my last video know that I got a little something in the mail when I ordered the heat thermal spray, okay? It's the spray that I use on my hair when I flat iron my hair. And they put in a little extra gift box, okay? Now, they don't know me. Okay, so this is not sponsored. This was not a little, under the table type of situation. It was just basically, a gift with purchase, if you will. So it was a little travel size of their shampoo and conditioner. It was the Amber Rose, okay? So I said, okay, I'm going to try it. I'll just put it to I couldn't even wait. I said, let me try it now. And let me just tell you, it's fantastic, okay? It's good, okay? And I'm going to break it down for you really quickly. But, I couldn't wait. I was going to wait and say, okay, well, let me try it, maybe 3 times and do a little analysis and do a little, okay, it's this and that. Couldn't wait. I had to come right in here and tell you guys about it, okay? So first of all, it came in this little box, okay? Theorie. And I meant to show it. I was like, I didn't even really show them the box. But it came in a box, nice little, designed box with their, name on it. No biggie. Opened it up, okay? And it came with 2 travel sizes or mini bottles of the Theorie Amber Rose Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, okay? And this is what they look like, okay? This is what they look like. They say that this is for dry to normal hair, which is usually the shampoos that I try and, steer towards is the dry or normal, okay? Not that my hair is dry, but we all know that when you relax, your hair can be a little drier, and the more nourishing, the better, okay? So anyway, let's cut to the chase, okay? Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Okay, so let's set the scene. So I'm in the shower, okay? And I grabbed the shampoo and I'm like, this smells kind of good. I open it up. Come with me, y'all. And it smells good, okay? It smells like rose. If I were to describe it as anything, I would say it smells like a rose and honey type of situation, okay? So you do smell rose in it. Okay, so I'm in the shower. I take the shampoo. I work it through my hair. So the first go around, okay, I feel it. It's getting cleansed. My hair is getting cleansed. It feels really good. Second, it lathers nicely, okay? So I worked it through. Okay, I can work with this. And then I added the conditioner, okay? So, I wash my hair 3 times. I do it once with the Fructis just to sort of act like a clarifying shampoo. Then I get to the, my number ones, as far as then I get to my main shampoo, which is usually the Theorie grapefruit, okay, or the argan oil. So anyway, shampoo the same exact way. Now, one of the telltale signs for me, what I like to do is after I shampoo my hair, okay, without even getting to the conditioner yet, if I can comb through my wet hair without it feeling tangled or feeling like I have to fight with it to get the comb through. Before I even touch the conditioner, just rinsed out hair. Then for me, that's a good sign of a moisturizing shampoo. Like that really ups the ante. That really gives it an A+ for me. And so far, I've found that to be true with the Care, okay, the Care Hydrating Shampoo, as well as every Theorie shampoo that I've tried thus far, which has been the grapefruit and the argan oil one, okay? So this was no different. After I shampooed my hair and rinsed it out, I combed through it just to see what we're working with, just to see what it's hitting for. I combed through it and I was able to comb through it. So that was definitely, we were on the right track at that point. Then I followed up with the conditioner. Boom, cap on, maybe 3 minutes or so, rinsed it out, and it felt really good. My hair felt really good, okay? Now, just at this point, as a comparison, the Amber Rose and the grapefruit and the Care. As far as I'm concerned, Care is untouched as far as slip, okay? It just gives, its slip is on a 10, okay? It's just this otherworldly type of situation. But with that being said, like I said, the Theorie shampoos, they give me slip as well, where I don't even need to touch the conditioner to comb through it, okay? So like I said, this gave me the same amount of slip, okay, as the other Theorie shampoos. And with that being said, as far as the softness at this point, I would give it more to the argan oil one. Because once I use the argan oil Theorie shampoo, okay, out of the 3, that really, it really makes your hair really soft immediately. I would say that the argan oil really leaves your hair softer at that point, okay? So I got out the shower and I blow dried my hair. And again, I'm thinking, okay, so the Amber Rose, it's good, you know. I was able to comb through it. It's good, but let's see what it's really hitting for, okay? So I blow dried through it, and when I tell you after, because when I got out, it felt good, but like I said, it didn't feel as soft as the argan oil. So I said, okay, well, it says hydrating, it's hydrating, but it's not as moisturizing as the argan, which is fine, you know, that's fine. Let's blow dry my hair. So anyway, I blow dried my hair, and when I tell you my hair felt so good afterwards, it really did, okay? That's when it really upped it a notch as far as the concentration of hydration, because after blow drying, my hair was very soft, okay? It was very soft, and the ends felt good, and it didn't feel, you know, and overall with my products, I don't really have a really dry feeling. But what I'm trying to say is that the Amber Rose fell right in line as far as what I am used to feeling, okay? My hair didn't feel stripped. It felt good, you know? It felt revitalized, if that makes any sense, okay? So with that being said, I was impressed. It felt really good. It felt really good, and I got excited because I said, okay, this is another star. This is another feather in their cap. This shampoo is really good. And then afterwards, when I flat ironed it, stop playing, okay? Stop playing. This is the finished product, okay? So we're still getting the bounce. We got the shine and this and that, okay? Look. So it still feels good, you know, because I flat iron. I used my Theorie heat shield, okay? Hello. So I used that and a flat iron, and everything turned out well. Everything turned out well. Everything looks good and feels good. And I'm happy. I'm happy with this particular. I'm so glad they sent it as a goodie, and I was able to try it without committing to a big bottle. But I knew that it wouldn't be a huge gamble because I like Theorie shampoos. I just do. I like their products. I think they're well made and well suited for my hair, at least. But I really liked it. I really like this shampoo. I really like this shampoo, and I really like the conditioner. Okay, I really do. It says hydrating, and I feel like my hair is hydrated, you know. So with that being said, I had to come in here and tell you guys because I got excited. I was going to, like I said, I was going to wait and say, okay, well, let's just, you know, do a couple more. No, I came right in here after one shampoo, okay? After one shampoo because I wanted to share this with you guys because I got kind of excited. You know what I mean? Here's another product that is pretty stellar in my eyes. So let's go over some of the little nitty-gritties that you guys may or may not be interested in, but I want to share just in case you want to compare notes on some of the others. Okay, now again, this is only the third shampoo that I've tried out of the Theorie collection of shampoos, and like I said before, it's really hard to go wrong. I mean, they have something for just about everybody. They have a thickening shampoo, they have those shampoos and conditioners for, you know, like color treated hair and this and that. So this is their hydrating shampoo, and like I said, I've used the argan oil one, which I really like too, but the amber rose is specifically listed as hydrating, and in my eyes it delivers on that. And again, it's only been one shampoo, and I will keep you updated, but so far so good. And as far as the smell, those who are concerned about scents and fragrances, okay, this note is for you because there are some that are just very sensitive to it. When I opened the bottle, smelled very good, smelled very light, okay. Now I will say in the shower when I was actually using it, it's like the water concentrated the smell, okay, and it became a little more perfumey at that point, okay, which does not bother me at all. But for those who are sensitive, I wanted to, you know, let that out of the bottle, okay, so to speak, and let you guys know about that for me, it got a little stronger when I was in the, you know, hot shower and the water and the this and the that. It sort of became a little more concentrated. As far as the fragrance, was it overwhelming and knocking you out? No, it was not. But again, everybody is different, okay? So at that point, it smelled more of a perfume, okay? So, and in comparison with the argan oil and the grapefruit, I didn't get that type of sensory overload from those. Those are more subdued compared to the amber rose as far as scent. Okay, so if you want to compare the three, this is a stronger out of the three theories. Okay, the other two that I tried, this third one is a little stronger as far as the scent, but that didn't bother me. Again, but I'm just making a note of that for anybody who is interested and curious. Okay, and as far as anything else, the conditioner, it felt, you know, my hair felt conditioned, you know, nothing really popping off the page with that. You know, it was pretty standard for me, and for Theorie shampoos, it didn't really stand out as far as extra, which is a good thing, because like I said, with Theorie shampoos, I pretty much trust their products so far. Everything that I've tried so far from their line has really lived up to what they have said it was. So with that being said, I like the Amber Rose shampoos, and I know some of you, a couple of you, have come to me. You too have tried it. You too have tried it. As far as out of the Theorie shampoos, this was the one that you tried, and you were very happy with the results. So I too can join that band, okay, that marching band for Amber Rose. It's a stellar part of the Theorie collection. It's a hydrating shampoo. That's what it says it's going to do, and that's what it did, you know. And I'm very happy with the results. My hair feels soft. I don't feel any dryness. And I used everything the same, okay? I used the same leave-in. I used the same, except the only difference that I didn't do, you know, I've been using the ceramic blow dryer that I just got, okay? So I didn't use it this time, okay, because I didn't have it with me. So I didn't use it this particular time, which to me just evens the playing field even more, because I didn't have that to fall back on as far as, oh, well, my hair is shiny because I had the ceramic blow dryer. Nope. I used everything else the same. My little, Garnier, my leave-in, my serum, the yada, 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 and everything like that. and I got great results. So I like it. Okay, can you tell by the smile on my face? I'm happy. I'm happy. So, as far as some of the ingredients are concerned, there's a naturally antiseptic rose flower extract. Okay, so rose flower extract is supposed to be a natural antiseptic. And on top of that, it is combined with vitamin rich sage essential oil, okay, and strengthening keratin protein to nourish tresses. It also has grapeseed oil in it, okay? It has grapeseed oil in it. So, yes, this is a great combo. I don't even know what else to say, but I had to come in here and tell you guys I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait, okay? I had to tell you guys about the shampoo and conditioner. Now, I am going to try it a couple more times, okay? But I don't anticipate me changing and doing a 180. But I will keep you posted, okay? I'm going to continue to use this for maybe 2 more times just to make sure that, but like I said, everything else was the same. I didn't do anything different. Everything else was the same. But I had to come in here and tell you guys about it because I'm excited. And anytime that I find something exciting to tell you, I'm going to come in here and excitedly tell you, okay? Because I'm just an exciting person, and I sometimes get excited about things, and I am excited about this, so I am telling you very excitedly that I like their shampoo, okay? So there you go. Again, I am a huge fan of the Theorie products, okay? Anybody who hasn't heard about them or anything like that, I will have the website down below. Again, this is not sponsored. I paid for all of this. Well, this was a gift, so I didn't technically pay for it, but I paid to get it, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm not on their list. They don't know me, okay? They don't know my name. They don't know me. I am just a regular customer, honey. So with that being said, I am very happy that they put this little goodie in my bag, my checkout bag, and I just couldn't wait to try it. So I tried it, and now this is what we're working with. We're working with bounce and shine and all of that, okay? And I'm here for that. So I want to thank you for indulging me for a moment. I got nothing else to say, okay? This is a quickie. This was a quickie. This was a quickie. But I had to come in here and tell y'all about the shampoo and conditioner because I'm excited. Yeah, you guys are my peeps. You guys are my peoples, We're like really cool and stuff. So when I find new stuff, I got to share my new stuff with my peeps and my cool peoples because we are part of the collective. Part of the collective. I'm here for it, okay? It's A+ across the board. A++. That's how I feel, okay? Anybody who has any questions, okay, who wants to testify, who has tried this as well, just rah sis boom ba down below, okay? We all appreciate it. But other than that, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? So I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff because we got some more stuff on the way, some more stuff on the list. And we like to share around here. So I'm going to share it all with you guys, okay? Because sharing is caring. At least that's the word on the street, okay? And we know this to be true. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back